In this video, I'm going to review Alfred Hitchcock's The Birds on DVD. I'll start by saying this is one of the greatest horror films ever made. Our story begins with Melanie Daniels going to a pet shop in search of some birds that she wants to buy for an aunt. There's an Alfred Hitchcock cameo, two cute dogs too. Melanie pretends to be a pet store employee and she meets Mitch Brenner, whom she is attracted to. So she eventually buys some lovebirds that she wants to give to Kathy, Mitch's younger sister. She goes on a boat to get to the Brenner house. She sneaks in to drop off the birds. Mitch sees what she's done. Melanie is a striking character for this period because she is a assertive, confident woman. A bird shows up to disrupt her budding relationship with Mitch. So after helping Melanie tend to her wounds, she meets Lydia, Mitch's mother, and rents a room with Annie, who used to be Mitch's lover, who's also a school teacher in Bodega Bay. Lydia, Annie, and the birds are not crazy about Melanie being there. Melanie and Mitch have a little bit of alone time at Kathy's birthday party, but again, the birds interrupt everything. The birds also builds a lot of tension and gives clues as to something horrible is about to be discovered or will happen. Jessica Tandy gives a fantastic performance as Lydia. She seems cold at first, but when she reveals to Melanie everything that she's been going through, she becomes very relatable and a likable character. Melanie really becomes a part of Mitch's life in an organic way. She goes to pick up Kathy at the schoolhouse, and this is another intense scene where slowly, as Melanie smokes a cigarette, more and more birds show up. She alerts Annie, and then the birds go after them and the school children, and it's a fantastic scene. We also meet an ornithologist at the local diner, and the scene in the diner really is a showcase for the kind of chaos that the birds are capable of causing. One thing leads to another until the whole area just becomes a zone of disaster and terror. This overhead shot is very striking. At this point, it's not isolated incidents. It's not a murder mystery. The birds have gone from being placid, gentle creatures to being malicious monsters from a nightmare. So overall, I highly recommend The Birds. I think it's a great horror film that weaves in familial and romantic tension, as well as making some ecological statements. In the next video, I'm going to talk about the themes of the film as well as the special features of the DVD. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.